Julia Fiona Roberts, born October 28, 1967, is an American actress. Known for her leading roles across several genres, she has received various accolades, including an Academy Award, a British Academy Film Award, and 3 Golden Globes. She became known for playing charming and relatable characters in romantic comedies and blockbusters before expanding into dramas, thrillers, and independent films. After early breakthroughs in Mystic Pizza 1988 and Steel Magnolias 1989, Roberts cemented herself as a Hollywood leading lady with the romantic comedies Pretty Woman 1990, My Best Friend's Wedding 1997, Notting Hill 1999, and Runaway Bride 1999. She won the Academy Award for Best Actress for her portrayal of the titular role in the biographical drama Erin Brockovich 2000. Roberts then starred in films such as Ocean's 11 2001, Ocean's 12 2004, Charlie Wilson's War 2007, Valentine's Day 2010, Eat, Pray, Love 2010, August, Osage County 2013, Wonder 2017, Ticket to Paradise 2022, Leave the World Behind 2023, and After the Hunt 2025. On television, she starred as a physician during the AIDS crisis in the HBO film The Normal Heart 2014, which earned her a Primetime Emmy Award nomination, a social worker in the first season of the streaming series Homecoming 2018, and portrayed Martha Mitchell in the Starz political limited series Gaslit 2022. Roberts runs the production company Red Ohm Films, through which she has served as an executive producer for various projects she has starred in, as well as for the first for films of the American Girl franchise 2004 to 2008. She has served as the global ambassador for Lancome since 2009. She was the world's highest-paid actress throughout the majority of the 1990s. And the first half of the 2000s, People magazine has named her the most beautiful woman in the world a record 5 times. Julia Fiona Roberts was born on October 28, 1967 at Crawford Long Hospital in Atlanta to Betty Lou Bredemus and Walter Grady Roberts. She is of English, Scottish, Irish, Welsh, German, and Swedish descent. Her father was a Baptist, her mother Catholic. Roberts was raised Catholic. Her older brother, Eric, born 1956, from whom she was estranged for several years until 2004, older sister Lisa, born 1965, and niece Emma are also actors. She also had a younger half-sister named Nancy Motes. Roberts' parents, one-time actors and playwrights, met while performing in theatrical productions for the United States Armed Forces. They later co-founded the Atlanta Actors and Writers Workshop off Juniper Street in Midtown Atlanta. They ran a children's acting school in Decatur, Georgia, while they were expecting Julia. The children of Coretta and Martin Luther King Jr. attended the school. Walter Roberts served as acting coach for their daughter, Yolanda. In gratitude for his service running the only racially integrated theater troupe in the region, and due to the Robertses' financial difficulties, Coretta King paid the Robertses' hospital bill when Julia was born. Roberts's parents married in 1955. Her mother filed for divorce in 1971. The divorce was finalized in early 1972. From 1972, Roberts lived in Smyrna, Georgia, where she attended Fitzhugh Elementary School, Griffin Middle School, and Campbell High School. In 1972, her mother married Michael Motes, who was abusive and often unemployed. Roberts despised him. The couple had a daughter, Nancy, who died at 37 on February 9, 2014, of an apparent drug overdose. The marriage ended in 1983, with Betty Lou divorcing Motes on cruelty grounds. She had stated that marrying him was the biggest mistake of her life. Roberts's own father died of cancer when she was 10. Roberts wanted to be a veterinarian as a child. She played the clarinet in her school band. After graduating from high school, she headed to New York City to pursue a career in acting. Once there, she signed with the Click modeling agency and enrolled in acting classes. Personal life. On a 2023 episode of Finding Your Roots, Roberts learned that the surname of her biological paternal great-great-grandfather was actually Mitchell, not Roberts. Roberts also learned her ancestors owned slaves. You have to figure, if you are from the South, you're on one side of it or the other. It just seems very typical of that time, unfortunately. ... You can't turn your back on history, even when you become a part of it in a way that doesn't align with your personal compass. Roberts is a distant cousin of fellow actor Edward Norton. Roberts had romantic relationships with actors Jason Patric, Liam Neeson, Kiefer Sutherland, Dylan McDermott, and Matthew Perry. She was briefly engaged to Sutherland. They broke up shortly before their scheduled wedding on June 14, 1991. According to Roberts, it had been canceled long before, not days before the wedding as the press claimed at the time, and that it was a mutual decision. On June 25, 1993, she married country singer Lyle Lovett. The wedding took place at St. James Lutheran Church in Marion, Indiana. They separated in March 1995 and subsequently divorced. From 1998 to 2001, Roberts dated actor Benjamin Bratt. Roberts and her husband, cameraman Daniel Moder, met on the set of her film, The Mexican, in 2000 while she was still dating Bratt. At the time, Moder was married to Vera Steinberg. He filed for divorce a little over a year later, and after it was finalized, he and Roberts wed on July 4th, 2002, at her ranch in Taos, New Mexico. Together, they have 3 children. Roberts has a preference for going barefoot, including at public events like film festivals, talk shows, and her wedding to Lyle Lovett. Her barefoot habit was incorporated into a number of her movie roles, including Tinker Bell in Hook. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.